You are going to love the 2017 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lights. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.